Right, closed circuit television. Next one is padlocks. Properly locked rooms. Displaying notices. You can say mentioning the consequences. Mentioning the consequences. And you can use a security guard. Assigning a security guard. Or you can use watchdogs. Or security system. Those are the possibilities to stop this willful damage. Security systems.
Sir, what's the meaning of displaying notices?
Displaying notices mean you can show in walls. Sometimes in your schools and all, I think this is shown. Don't damage, don't remove cables. You can say, so if you remove the cable,
Don't bring unnecessary storage devices.
yes, don't bring unnecessary storage devices. Don't use food inside the lab. Likewise, the warning signs can be displayed, no? So mentioning the consequences means if you damage this, you have to pay a fine, something like that. If you damage this, you have to pay this much of fine. Sometimes in labs, I have seen school labs.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
What is watchdogs?
So simply watchdog. So there are two things, right? Watchdogs.
Muraballu.
Sorry.
In Sinhala, we tell Muraballu.
Yes, yes. Murabalu. Again, real dogs, right? So
Okay.
there are two things, right? The watchdog කියලා tool එකකුත් තියෙනවා. watchdog කියලා tool එකකුත් තියෙනවා. ඒ tool එක tool software එකක් විදිහට දාන්නත් පුළුවන් watchdogs කියලා තියෙනවා. tools set එකක්. එහෙම නැතුව ඇත්තටම දාන්න පුළුවන් අර මේ මුරට දාන සුනකයෝ ඉන්නේ. බල්ලෝ දාන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම දානවා. But these are like in not in home environment, right? These are in that high security labs. High security labs. They are using so these kind of security guards, security systems, the alarm systems. Likewise, they use various granularity or various levels of security. Okay, so these are the things, summary of the physical security.
Sir, can you scroll a bit up?
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, come right. Next is how to provide logical security to data and information. So that we have to discuss. Actually, we didn't discuss it last day. How to provide logical security to software and data. Can you suggest few methods? Can you suggest?
By installing a virus guard.
Sir, give a finger point.
By giving a password.
Yeah, fingerprint, passwords, virus
By
cards.
giving a
Give a
packet.
profile photo.
Sorry? Give that.
Give a profile photo.
Biometric passwords.
Profile, biometric passwords. Generally, biometrics authentication. And all these profile photos, the iris scan, fingerprint scan, all these are coming under biometric authentication.
Sir, we can put patterns too.
Patterns,
Voice
yes.
recorders.
Those are, yes, password mechanisms. Pattern password, picture passwords, the text passwords, and you can say mobile authentication, two-factor authentication, or mobile එකට message එකක් එහෙම එන්නේ. මොකක් හරි කාඩ් වලින් එහෙම වැඩ කරද්දි මොබයිල් එකට ෆෝන් එකට එනවනේ message එකක්. credit card payments and all. ඔය Gmail වල log වෙද්දි සමහරට මොබයිල් එකට එන්නේ. Code එක.
Yes, sir.
That is two-factor authentication. All these are authentication and authorization methods. Biological authentication. Okay. So what else other than this authentication and biometric authentication and general authentication methods? Anything? Authentication basically check whether
Voice recorders.
voice recorders how it protect your data. You now think about protecting data and software. How? Authentication mechanisms, generally biometrics and other authentication mechanisms, correct. That is one good answer. So what anything else other than that? Only that. Only that. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Anything else? No idea. So what about I have very recent example. You saw in our groups also people were sharing lot of links. Have you seen?
Avoid clicking suspicious links.
Avoid clicking suspicious links. Have you seen that you wanna gift likewise, like the past week everyone
Yes, sir.
everyone shared links saying you wanna gift likewise. How many of you have shared? I see some of you have also shared. Right? I saw
0.
some of you have also shared. But so without knowing the proper person who sent in that and without knowing the proper source, don't share the links. Suspicious links especially. So these links, so if you click this link, your computer is now vulnerable for information leakages or hacking or viruses even. Right? Don't share unwanted links. So what else? Don't click or don't share unwanted links. Anything else? Okay, got one. Yes, anything else? Is that all? Right. So please write, right? Please write. The logical security mechanisms to protect
Sir, is that the fifth one?
No. That is this is physical, the hardware issues, no. Now the second main heading is logical security mechanism to protect software. We learn hardware issues, no. Now software and data. Software and data. That is not fifth, right? So that is the second part. First part, you have to protect your computer from hardware perspective. The second one, you have to protect your computer. The perspective is software perspective and data perspective. Two angles. The hardware one is called physical security. The software one is called logical security. Okay, the mechanisms you said correct. First one is authentication. So what do you mean by?
Excuse me, sir. That is fifth one.
That is first one
Logical
under
security mechanisms to.
No. That is not fifth one. That is the second main heading. First main heading was last day.
Okay, sir.
Last day we discussed about hardware or the physical components of the system and the physical security, no.
Okay, sir.
Right? Now today we are going to discuss about. So we summarize the hardware issues. Then now the second heading, logical security mechanism to protect software and data. There are two kinds of security. One is physical security related to hardware. The second one is logical security related to software and data. Okay, what is authentication? Finding the correct user. Correct or right user. You can say right user. Finding the right user. So that can be done using biological authentication. So as you said, iris, scan, fingerprint, voice recognition, maybe face recognition,
Amma.
voice recognition.
Amma.
Tisal,
Amma.
Tisal, I think you have to mute your microphone. Okay, you have to mute the microphone, otherwise cannot. Okay, so biological authentication: iris, fingerprint, voice, face recognition. These are the mechanisms. And other authentication type: passwords, patterns, picture passwords, passphrases, passphrases, passwords, patterns, picture password, and you can say two-factor authentication. That mobile, you can see the mobile phone code, that is two-factor authentication method. That means you have to type the password and type the code both correctly. You call two-factor authentication. So second mechanism is that backups. Second mechanism that you can use to protect your data is backups. Keep copies. It's called backups. Third mechanism that you can use, as you said, avoid clicking malicious and suspicious links. Avoid clicking and sharing malicious and suspicious links. Malware scanners, antivirus, anti-spyware, anti-adware, anti-spam, the next one is avoid visiting dangerous websites. Avoid disclosing sensitive information to unknown parties. Avoid disclosing sensitive information to unknown parties. PIN number, your name, and addresses, telephone, account details, etc. Right. So I'll explain one by one. First, write down all. I'll explain one by one. First, write down all these things. So, okay. If you share this, something good will happen. But if you don't share, you will die. Send this to 10 groups, 10 people. Then you are sharing. That is also spam. If you love your mother, send it to 10 people, again spam. You want a gift, so share this to 10 or 12, so as many as, oh, sometimes you get like this. Now you will get a call from red number. Please inform all of your friends by sharing this message. That is also spam. Right? Spamming means send unwanted messages, unsolicited messages or emails. Anti-spam means the software which can detect that unwanted message and warn you saying this is spam, don't share. Likewise, in Gmail you have that. Gmail වල තියෙනවා spam filter එකක් තියෙනවා. Gmail use කරන කට්ටිය ඉන්නවද? Gmail or Yahoo Mail? Is there anyone
Yes,
using
sir.
that?
There is a software called
Yes,
Spamming.
sir.
Sir, Gmail use करना sir.
Yes, there's a folder called spam folder. Have you seen that spam folder in your Gmail? No.
Yes sir.
Right. There's a folder.
Yes, sir.
called spam.
In inbox.
Inbox එක නෙමෙයි inbox එකට පල්ලෙහෙන්
Yes,
තියෙන
sir.
spam.
In that folder, there's only saying that we want prices and everything.
Yes. Most of the things are advertisements, unwanted shares come to there. So anti-spam is the software which prevent that. Malware means any dangerous software. Malware, antiviruses can stop that. Anti-spyware. Spyware means someone looking at you secretly. It is called spying. Anti-adware, sorry, this one is anti-adware. Displaying unwanted advertisement. Anti-adware can prevent that. Unwanted advertisement can be prevented. Okay, finished writing everything? Or still?
No sir.
Right, okay, write quickly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you one more minute, just finish it.
Okay, sir.
In case of disconnection, please connect to the same link, right? Now, you're going to disconnect. Please connect to the same link, right?